Additional features in the Parallel Plus app on iOS. First, tap the three lines, the menu button, at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see under Select Versions, there's Word Study Settings. This brings you to a number of settings related to word studies, so if you want to turn King James Version or Greek on or off in your New Testament verse list, you can do that here. If you tap the menu button again, next down on the list is Verse Study Settings. This helps you to navigate verse studies, so if you want to turn color coding parts of speech on or off, to put nouns in blue and verbs in red to help you distinguish between parts of speech as you're reading, you can do that here. You can also find various Greek phonetic systems to use in the app here. If you tap on the menu button again, next down is text size. Text size is a really cool feature because it allows you to change the common text size at the top throughout the app, or to change the text size of a particular character set in a language. So if you want to change the character size of Hindi to appear larger or smaller, you can do that here. Tap the menu button one more time, and at the bottom there's even more settings for dark or light mode, turning cross-references and version notes on or off, which helps some people to focus, and other settings. These are a few additional settings in the Parallel Plus app on iOS.